watched a clip earlier on. I will give you credit when it's due. I watched a clip what happened on maybe the 29th of June when you said, I don't want Sesko, I want Gyökeres. I seen that clip this afternoon. And you were live with rants. Yeah. You were live with rants.
I've never wanted Sesko. Chat my line.
Listen, I just said. You said, I don't want Sesko at this club. I want Gyökeres because everyone else wants Sesko. I seen that clip this morning with rants. So that's
Dave texted me and told me he was putting out at 10 a.m.
Yeah,
or 10 p.m.
And the numbers as well. Let's be honest. The numbers as well. Come on, man. I wanted Osimhen, to be honest. I wanted to go for Osimhen, but he's got an attitude problem apparently. But yeah, Gyökeres is.
But he hasn't. But he does gang signs.
But he does gang signs. He hasn't.
He does all that.
Kepa. What did Kepa do? No,
refused to come off.
No, but
listen,
we got
attitude. But Ivan Toney's got attitude apparently. Aubameyang's got attitude. Yeah, right. But if your face fits, then you're cool, innit?
I would have had a meltdown if we bought a keeper for 25 million. I would have had a meltdown.
Do you know what I would have done? I would have kept Cole Hein, and paid him another 10 grand a week and saved the 5 million plus the 100 grand a week or 75 grand a week to spend on Kepa. Yeah, and we could have put that towards Eze or Rodrigo.
It's a good job that you don't run this club.
Right, if I'd run this club, mate, we wouldn't have gone 5 years without a trophy.
It's a good job you don't run this club because man are talking about
what happened? What's the
did you watch Cole Hein last season?
I don't want to hear. What did he win? What did he win?
The same as Kepa, mate.
Oh, but it was bad for Kepa, but
the same as David Raya, the same as any of our players. So, did you watch Valladolid last season? Yay, nay, or bollocks?
You see him when your logical consistency falls.
Okay, so let me ask you this then, yeah?
No, you don't ask anything.
No. So let me ask you this because I watched Valladolid last season.
Who cares? They didn't win anything. Who cares?
No, cool. They didn't win anything. You're right, but guess what?
In the game, right? Winning.
Facts. Yeah. Cool. Which is why you don't want the manager here. Why you're accepting the manager here is crazy.
Did Carl Hein concede more goals than games he played?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and guess what? Hold up, if you let me explain for 2 seconds, if you let me explain for 2 minutes, none of them fucking centre backs or full backs have signed for Madrid, PSG, or Liverpool, mate. Yeah, they all got relegated. Yeah, the goalkeeper is now coming back to Arsenal and getting sold. Yeah. Now, not only that, he faced more shots and made more saves and was more active, and was arguably their best player last season, other than Morrow. Yeah.
What did he win?
The same as Arsenal. Fuck all.
What did he win?
The same as Arsenal. Nada.
So, can we have a bit of logical consistency, please?
Yeah, we can have logical consistency.
Thank you. That's
why are we going to go and waste 5 million plus wages on that goalkeeper that won nothing when we got a goalkeeper that's on a quarter of the wages that came through, and is in the club already on loan, when we could save 5 million plus 75 grand a week? Make it make sense.
So we should only sign players from clubs that have won things the season prior.
Well, no, we shouldn't. However, well, if you let me finish, if you let me finish, what we should be doing is signing the best in class, which is why Gyökeres is the best in class. Yeah, Gyökeres is. Kepa isn't. Oh, but he's a backup.
Name me a club that signs the best in class in every position.
Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, Man City. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, City.
Yeah, why do we go and get Turkey?
So Turkey's better. Is Turkey better than Wirtz? Who's better, Turkey or Wirtz?
That's debatable. Can we?
No, Rashid. Wait. See, this is where these men switch, Rashid. Yeah. Hold up. This is where these men switch. Yeah. He's now picking two of the best players in that position in Europe and compete in two clubs that are not our clubs. Okay, now let me throw that back on you then. Pause.
I'm going with your logic. Who is the number one in slot? Who's the best in slot? Is it Turkey or is it Wirtz?
Out of both of them. Yeah, I'd say Wirtz is better. However, Odegaard's nowhere near. Odegaard's nowhere near, and that's the point.
I don't give a shit about Odegaard. We're not talking
No, stop talking. No, you mentioned Turkey. I never. Yeah.
What?
I never mentioned Wirtz. I never mentioned Turkey. You did. You said, so who's better, Turkey or Wirtz? Let me throw it back on you then, Paul. So cool. So why did we not sign Turkey or Wirtz when we've got Odegaard who's not better than both? Tell me that.
What does that have to do with anything?
Because I want best in class. So who do you think?
You said, and I quote, we should sign the best in
class.
Yeah.
So cool. So
Yes,
who
there can only
is
be
the
one
best
best.
number 10
can only
in
be
the
one
world
best.
in your position?
There can only be one best.
No, it's an opinion.
There can only be one best.
No, it's an opinion.
Oh, it's an opinion.
Your player
No, it's not.
might be better than my player based on your opinion. My player might be better based on my opinion.
Okay,
so who do you think's better, Wirtz or Cherki or Odegaard?
Who is factually the best?
Factually, how do you work that out?
Oh, that's interesting.
So how? Oh no, I'm asking a rhetorical question. I'm asking a rhetorical question. Again, you don't get it.
So we have to go with the subjective, right?
No, it's not subjective. It's basic rhetorical questions, bro.
No, but you said it's opinions. You said that.
Yeah, it's an opinion. But you then said, how do we work out who is the best? So again, that is subjective. But what are you rating the best on, which is a rhetorical question?
But you tell me, because you're the one that said that there's best in slot. So for you to say that there's the best in slot, you have to have a way of measuring best in slot. So you tell me how you factually know who is the best in slot.
Okay, cool. So I'll give you my metrics here. Turning up in big games and deciding big games. Okay. Yeah, well, Odegaard's never fucking done that in his life.
No, we're not talking about Odegaard.
No. I'm talking. We wasn't talking about Wirtz or Cherki. Well, if you stop talking over me, I'll get the answer out, mate. Yeah. So you mentioned Wirtz. You inserted Wirtz. You inserted Cherki. So I'm inserting Odegaard, who plays the same fucking position. Right? Because that is what I want, the best in class. Because I mentioned Gyökeres. Hold up.
I'll add Palmer. How about that? I'll add Palmer. What about now?
Well, Palmer's just turned up in the final again.
Why didn't Man City or Liverpool sign Palmer instead of Cherki or Wirtz?
Well, they have signed Cherki.
No, instead of Cherki or Wirtz.
They have signed Cherki.
Why didn't they sign Palmer?
They tried to sign fucking Wirtz and he'd already gone Liverpool.
No. Why?
Cherki,
So let me answer the question instead of doing this Geldem thing, throwing a billion questions.
Oh, you're doing the Geldem thing.
I mentioned Gyökeres. You inserted Wirtz and Cherki. I can't talk long enough for me to answer a question.
Because you don't answer the question, you go so far away from the question that it makes no point.
You inserted Wirtz, you inserted Cherki, you inserted Palmer. I inserted Odegaard, but I mentioned Gyökeres. Gyökeres is a striker, and I said best in class. You then diverted away and said, so best in class, who's better, Wirtz or Cherki? That's what you said. Rewind the stream, guys.
Yes,
then I then mentioned Odegaard, then you mentioned Palmer. So if you let me land my point without talking over me, you'll actually understand.
And here we go.
It's not rocket science. So best in class, you said how? Oh yeah, I said how do you define who is the best? So my metrics, if you allow me to speak for long enough, my metrics: do you turn up in big games and decide big games? Do you decide finals or get your team to finals? Do you win trophies? Are you a major part of winning them trophies? Because I'll give you the easy example. TT never scored in the final. However, the fucker got us there. Mohamed Salah's only scored in one final. It was a penalty. However, he gets his team there. He turns up in big moments of big football matches. However, big football matches is not just finals, bro. Can you get me over the line? Well, Cole Palmer got his team over the line against the best team in the world. Yeah, facts. Because they won the Champions League, not the world, Europe. Chelsea are now the best team in the world. Florian Wirtz has turned up in big moments of big football matches to get his team over the line. Now I also go, on technical ability. Moments. When you add all of these metrics in, GA, you can add the GA if you want, Now you add the GA, big moments, technical ability, turning up when it fucking matters and getting your team across the line. Guess what? Florian Wirtz is better than Cherki and Odegaard. Yeah.
Okay. So why did Man City not sign Wirtz and they signed Cherki? Because we should be signing the best in slot, no?
The best
is money.
We should be signing the best in slot. Everyone should be signing the best in slot. So why did they not sign Wirtz?
I'll tell you exactly why they didn't sign Wirtz. Yeah, because they need more work doing to their team.
Yeah.
Than Liverpool. So they thought rather than throw in 100 M's, plus wages, 200 grand a week. To Wirtz, we can buy Cherki and Reinders for the same money. So now we fix two positions. Yeah, we fix two positions. What we do at Arsenal is we go, wow, we got Odegaard, so we can't get anyone to replace him. Yeah, Liverpool have replaced Szoboszlai. He's now the backup, so they've raised their level. We're not signing an Odegaard replacement, we're finding a bench player. Yeah, Thomas Partey's left. We've signed Zubamendi. As good as he is, he ain't better than Partey, bro. So now it's a like for like, but a lower level. Liverpool have leveled up. Robertson is done at Liverpool. He's been fantastic, but he's dusted. He's finished. His legs are gone. Yeah. So now Liverpool have gone and got Kirkes. So now he's better than Tsimikas. Tsimikas is now the bench. Robbo's going to leave.
Sorry?
They're both shit.
Is Frimpong better than Trent?
Depends what metric you use.
What
metric are you using? Because defensively, they're both shit.
Oh my God.
Defensively, they're both shit. So if you're going forward, Trent is a better forward, then so they've gone backwards on that one. I don't rate Frimpong, bro.
He's one of the best out there.
Okay, so Liverpool have gone backwards.
No. So now you're taking the exception to the rule again.
No, so they didn't go forward in every area.
No, but they've still leveled up and they were the best team by a mile.
And Arsenal have leveled up in the striker position.
Okay, but we've gone backwards. We've gone backwards in the defensive position because Mosquera is not better than fucking Tomiyasu defensively, and I watch him. The only thing he's better at is pace because he's rapid like Van der Ven and he stays fit. He's never had an injury. Zubamendi is not better than Thomas Partey, so that's a backwards. Yeah, real talk. Norgard is not better than Jorginho, so that's backwards. Yeah, Madueke, he's shit, bruv. Yeah, who's he replacing? Probably Reece Nelson. Is he better than Reece Nelson? Maybe fucking not. It's a much of a muchness, whatever. Yeah.
No,
so the only position we've gone forward. Hold up, let me land. The only position we've gone forward in is Gyökeres. The positions they've gone forward in, and Man City have gone forward in, is multiple positions, and they've got better managers that have got over the line. So what are we doing here, bro?
Okay. So now this is where I like a little bit of logical consistency. Yeah. So Noni Madueke played a big part in winning a trophy last season for Chelsea. Reece Nelson,
what do you mean by big part?
Reece Nelson didn't win a trophy.
Okay, cool. So on that basis, then,
winning trophies is the aim of the game, no?
So fantastic. I agree. So on that basis,
your logic,
I totally agree.
No.
I'm agreeing with you. Why are you arguing?
Let me speak. Because if people would just let me speak, and let me in, then you know what I mean. So by your logic, you have to say now that Noni Madueke is better than Reece Nelson. Otherwise, you can never use your logic again.
Based on trophies, yes. Based on ability, it's debatable.
Oh, so
but I gave you my metric. Hold on. No, stop. I stopped. I gave you my metrics. I didn't just say trophies, did I? I gave you ability. Yeah. How did you turn up in the big moments to help your team win? Yeah. How did you turn up? Yeah, and get your team across the line. Yeah, what is your ability like? Yeah, what have you done to help your team? I told you all these metrics. What's your GA?
You watch Zubamendi. I don't watch as much Zubamendi as you. You watch a lot.
But you're taking trophies and using trophies as the only logic.
No,
I never mentioned that, so don't twist my words.
Let me speak.
I never said that.
Let me speak. Yeah. So you watch a lot of Zubamendi. Yeah. So the season when Real Sociedad won what was it? I can't remember what they won. They won, was it the Copa del Rey?
Yep, 6 years ago.
So he wasn't part of that.
Yeah, he was.
He was part of that. So what role did he play in that?
He played. So did Mikel Merino. What's your point?
But did he have any big moments in that? I'm asking you. Was there any big moments in there where Zubamendi played?
He just come through the academy. What are we doing here?
Okay, cool. No, so I was asking. I don't know. So I was asking you the fountain of knowledge.
Okay. The fountain of this guy, bro.
I have to clarify.
No, clarify this then. Yeah, you want clarity, yeah? Clarify this then.
Yes, I was seeking clarity. I don't.
Okay, you want clarity? We'll understand clarity.
I can never win with you. When I come to you seeking knowledge, I can never win. When I come seeking knowledge, you don't accept the fact that I'm coming to. I keep on telling you, you're older than me. I look up to you, but you're moving.
This guy's such a joker.
You need to concentrate, bro. Concentration is not your strong point. Yeah, you need to concentrate. I'm looking up to you. You're moving clumsy. Yeah, I came to you seeking knowledge, and now you're trying to flip it back on me like I was trying to slew you. I'm not doing that. I'm just seeking knowledge, bro. What are you doing? Are you not meant to ask your elders for information? I don't understand.
Okay, so information this then. Yeah, you want clarity? Yeah, clarity this then. Yeah, we're fucked.